Most drivers still rely on a basic rearview mirror, but in 2026, that's honestly outdated. Today's mirror dash cams are not just recording devices. They're becoming smart driving assistants, offering 4K recording, night vision, GPS tracking, blind spot detection, and even voice control. So if you want better safety, clearer evidence in case of accidents, and a smarter driving experience, this video is exactly for you. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 best mirror dash cams of 2026, ranked from number 5 all the way to number 1. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Pelsee S12 Pro Mirror Dash Cam, Best Overall 2026. We have the Pelsee S12 Pro Mirror Dash Cam. This is widely considered one of the most advanced mirror dash cams of 2026, and for good reason. It features the powerful Sony Starvis 2 sensor, which is a game-changer for night driving. It delivers extremely clear 4K front footage and 1080p rear video, even in very low light conditions. But what really makes this device stand out is its smart AI driving system. You get ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance System, BSD, Blind Spot Detection, Voice Control, Color Night Vision, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, included 64 GB memory card. The voice control feature is especially useful because you can control key functions without touching the screen, making driving safer and more convenient. Pros: best-in-class night vision, Starvis 2 sensor, advanced AI safety features, smooth voice control system, excellent overall video quality, fully loaded package, ready to use. If you want the absolute best mirror dash cam in 2026, this is the one to get. Number 2. 12-inch 4K plus 2.5K mirror dash cam, ADAS plus BSD plus GPS. Things get much more advanced. This 12-inch mirror dash cam offers 4K front recording and 2.5K rear recording, which means significantly better detail compared to standard dual camera systems. But what really makes it stand out is the advanced driver assistance system, including ADAS, lane departure warnings and forward collision alerts, BSD, blind spot detection, lane change assist. These features actively help you while driving, making it more than just a recording device. It becomes a driving safety assistant. It also includes built-in GPS tracking, G-sensor for accidents, parking monitor, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for fast file transfer. Pros: advanced safety features, ADAS plus BSD, high-quality dual camera setup, fast Wi-Fi connectivity, strong all-around performance. This is perfect for drivers who want maximum safety and smart driving assistance. Number 3. 4K mirror dash cam, 12-inch touchscreen plus 64 GB card included. We have the 4K mirror dash cam with 12-inch touchscreen display. This model focuses on simplicity, reliability, and plug-and-play convenience. Right out of the box, you get a 64 GB memory card included, which is a big plus because you don't need to buy extra storage. It records in 4K at the front and supports rear camera recording, giving you clear footage in most driving conditions. One of its strongest features is 24/7 parking monitoring, which means even when your car is off, it can detect motion or impact and start recording. You also get Wi-Fi connectivity for phone app access, loop recording, G-sensor emergency lock, easy installation system. Pros: very easy to install and use. Comes with 64 GB storage. Reliable daily performance. Good 4K video quality. This is best for users who want a simple, reliable dash cam without complex features. Number 4. 12-inch mirror dash cam with CarPlay and Android Auto. We have something more advanced. A 12-inch mirror dash cam with CarPlay and Android Auto support. This is not just a dash cam, it's basically a smart driving hub. The biggest highlight here is integration with your smartphone. You can connect your phone and use Google Maps or Apple Maps directly on the mirror. Music apps like Spotify, hands-free calling. On top of that, it still works as a dual-channel dashcam with 4K front recording and rear camera support. It also includes voice control, split-screen display, loop recording, reverse assist. The 12-inch touchscreen makes everything feel modern and easy to control, especially while driving. Pros: CarPlay plus Android Auto support. Large 12-inch touchscreen display. Multifunction smart system. Great for tech-focused drivers. This is ideal for drivers who want both entertainment and safety in one device. Number 5. WOLFBOX G9 30 Mirror Dash Cam. Best budget option. We have the WOLFBOX G9 30 Mirror Dash Cam. This is one of the most popular entry-level mirror dash cams because it balances price and essential features really well. You get a 10-inch rearview mirror display, which replaces your standard mirror and turns it into a smart screen. The camera records in 4K at the front and supports rear camera input, giving you clear footage for daily driving and parking situations. One thing WOLFBOX does well is daytime clarity and stable recording performance. It also includes GPS tracking, which logs your driving route and speed, very useful in case of insurance claims or disputes. You also get parking monitor mode, reverse assist lines, loop recording, G-sensor for collision detection. Pros: affordable and beginner-friendly. Reliable 4K front recording. Built-in GPS tracking. Easy installation. This is perfect if you want a budget-friendly upgrade from a normal mirror without spending too much. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best products. No matter which one you choose, each of these options brings solid performance, great features, and real value depending on your needs and budget. If you're going for the best overall pick, I've already shared my top recommendation in the video, so make sure to scroll back if you missed it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews and tech rankings. And I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me which one you'd pick, or if there's another product you want us to review next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.